Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Ella here as always. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, you guys, I am back like I never left. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you these contact lenses that I got from JUST4KIRA. They were kind enough to send me some of their colored contact lenses to try out. So I am so super excited filming this video right now because this is actually the first time I'm working with this brand and I can't wait to try out these colored contact lenses, you guys. So without talking much, let's get right into this video. All right,
when you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise.
So these contact lenses came in this cute packaging, like this cute box. I absolutely love the packaging, you guys. So when you open it, you got a little thank you card, and as well as how to apply your contact lenses and take them out as well. So as a beginner like me, y'all know that I'm just new to contact lenses stuff. This is going to be very helpful actually. So here we have all the products they sent to me. I think I got 4 pairs of contact lenses. So yeah, let's get right into it. So you guys, I got 4 cute colored contact lenses from JUST4KIRA. So right here I have 8 cute boxes right here. I don't know how that is showing on my camera, but hopefully you'll see what I'm trying to show you guys. All right, so each pack contains 1 contact lenses. So these 2 cute box right here is for the 2 eyes. All right, so that is why I'm having 8 cute boxes right here. Some of the pronunciation right here might sound awful, but just take it like that. So the first contact lenses I have here is Asa Brown, I have the Alpha Green, I have the Aurora Blue. So I don't know how I'm pronouncing that, so I'm just going to be listing them on the screen for you to see. And I have the Russo Gray. So I'm going to be putting them on and showing you guys how it looks like. So you guys, another thing I'm so excited about is that these contact lenses come with their storage. Not just that, I have 4 cute clear storage right here. So each contact lenses have their own storage. This is how it looks like. Right here I have 2 tools. They want to apply your contact lens and they want to take it out. So let me just show you that. So this is to take out your contact lens, and this is to put it in. Like, as a beginner, I am sure that this is just going to make the work a lot more easier for me, because I still find it kind of difficult to apply contact lens with my finger. I'm not a pro, don't get me wrong. So you guys, these contact lenses are 1 year replaceable, and you can see it written here. So I'm just gonna take it out of the box and transfer it to the contact lenses case. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Then with the tool, I'm gonna take the contact lens and transfer it here. Amazing, right? So now I went ahead and put on the first contact. On my other eye I have no contact on. So this is how this one looks like. You can see the blue is so vibrant, you guys. I am so in love with it right now. I love the way the blue just kind of, come out, and the color is perfect, you guys. Like, this is my favorite from all these contact lenses that I received. Actually, I love this. The color is so beautiful. It makes my eye look so charming, and it sits on my eye perfectly. I do not feel any discomfort at all at this point. And take a closer look, you guys. Can you see how beautiful this is? So guys, all the details regarding all these contact lenses are going to be down on the description below, so make sure you check it out. So right now I have the blue on the other side and I have the Russo gray on this side. Can you spot the difference? Like, this Russo gray also looks beautiful, but the blue is more vibrant. Can you spot the difference right here? So just take a look. So yeah, this is the second one I have on. This is the Russo gray, and I feel like this one is just giving me that natural look right now. I can wear this on everyday basis, you guys. Like, it is so cute, it is so beautiful, and I love the way it just sits on my eyes and I do not feel any discomfort at all. And yeah, it is so beautiful, you guys. I love it. And again, you guys, JUST4KIRA is having a big sale right now. When you buy 2 contacts, you get 1 for free. When you buy 3, you get 2 for free. When you buy 4, you get 3 for free. And also, I have a coupon code. When you use my code ELA20, you also get 20% off your purchase, and you can actually in total save up to 60% on their website right now. So here is the third contact. This is the crystal brown, and this one is so natural. Like, you guys, this is my second favorite. This is so natural. I love this. I feel like I can wear this on every day. I can wear this on a go. I can wear this anywhere. This is so natural, and it's my second fave, you guys. So right now I'm just going to show you how I'm putting on this contact lens. This is the fourth one right here, and this is the alpha gray. So you guys, this is how I was able to put my contact on, and at this point my eye was a little red. That's because my eyeshadows get into my eye. So yeah, noted, right? I'm not going to be putting on makeup next I'm doing a contact lens review. So here I just use my tissue to dry up the tears that is running out of my face, and this is how this one looks like. It is so beautiful. I feel like the gray is a little too sharp for me, but let me know your thoughts on the comment section below. And this is how this one just looks like, you guys, and it's so cute. I love everything that I got. I love every contact that I received. And yeah, this is going to be the end of this video, you guys. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up. All the details you need about this contacts are down in the description below. Make sure you check them out. Follow JUST4KIRA on Instagram, and also follow me. All the links will be down on the description below. Do make sure you check it out. Until next time, I will see you all. Always stay beautiful, and bye for now. Bye.